Hello friends, I'm Asha Bhandarkar here, an ex-student of Life and Breath. Ex-student, but yes, I'm still very much connected to the group. Well, I'm here today to share with you a few experiences of mine as I practiced the various disciplines of Life and Breath. Rather than experiences, I should have said benefits that I reaped because of by practicing this discipline as recommended in the course, and I have taken due permission from Praveen sir to do that. Namaste Praveen sir, thank you. Yeah, well, now the benefits, I'll go straight into the benefits. The obvious ones are, feeling fitter, feeling better, feeling healthier, and energetic, enthusiastic. All those are there, which I think most of us have experienced. But the specific problem that I'm going to address today is, this part of the palm, right under the thumb, this bone, I guess it's called the mount of Venus. So it's this portion that used to give me a lot of pain on both hands. Right hand would be slightly less because maybe it's more active, more functional. The left palm, this part in the left palm gave me acute pain. In doing most of the jobs, like whatever, you comb your hair, you write something, I would read something, I would fold clothes, any damn work that you would do, it would always give me pain. And particularly in kitchen work, I used to get very acute pain. It would be terrible at times, when I would have to cut something or roll chapatis, or mainly when it came to kneading the dough, वो आटा बनाते वक्त. So I had to do it only with my fingers, and like when there is a lot of atta, you can't do it with your 5 fingers. I would have to use both hands, and I've had terrible time. But I have worked my own ways, of getting it, of doing it. And this would happen only when there would be no cook. The rest of the time, like, she would make. But it used to give me terrible. It has given me a terrible bad time, and this time has been like it has been for over a decade, maybe some even 15-20 years. Anyway, that is immaterial, but yes, it is material in the sense I have had this problem from time immemorial, and I know it is because of this, because of practicing the disciplines of Life and Breath. I have got this benefit because this course, the particular one, the batch which I did, started in December, in the last week of December, and second half of December my cook had gone on leave. I had to do my dough, my atta by myself, and that was the time I just could not do. I tried it for 2 days, and then I gave up. I depended on chapatis ordered from out, or bread, etc., etc., whatever. So I distinctly remember it was very much there and very severe in the month of December. Then my cook came back, and I didn't think of it because this has been going on for years. Now come lockdown, come March, come lockdown, I had to do it myself, and this time I had no option of getting things from outside as a substitute for homemade chapatis. I had to do it myself. I started kneading the flour, and I started off with my right hand. I realized this had no pain, and I felt weird, like, ये क्या हो गया? So I pressed hard, realized it is not there. Obviously I was curious कि यहाँ पे let me check this, and I did that, nothing, and then started kneading the dough harder and harder, no pain. So I feel, I don't know, I didn't know when this stopped, but just in those 3 months I realized the difference. The pain had vanished, and since then, even till today, I don't have a cook, and I knead the dough every day, parathas, everything I keep on making, no pain. I feel blessed for having done this course, and I have 2 other benefits also, but then the video gets too long, so in a day or two I'll share the other video also, which has given me benefits. Okay, thank you, bye. Thank you sir. Namaste once again everybody. Namaste sir.